Give me 2 seconds over here. All right, we should be good. We should be good. Let's see. All right. I don't know why it does that. I go to start it, and then it's just like, haha, sorry, nope, can't do that. So, team, once you guys see me, let's do our good mornings. I see the feed populating in here. Say good morning to somebody in the live chat. If you want to, say good morning to me. And then we're going to get after it over here. I hope you guys are having a good morning. Trev, it's not nighttime for you, I don't think. It might be. I don't know where you're at. But let's see who we got in here so far. We got Gerald, Romeo, Glenn. Good morning, buddy. James, Dr. Bob, Cody, Matthew, Trev, Tor. What's going on, everybody? Again, as everybody's filtering in, William, good morning. Make sure you guys are hitting that like button. It helps out a whole lot getting these streams out to some more people. Costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot. You found me on Twitter? Oh, great. It's only taken you, 2 years? So first things first, the overnight strategy is looking real good to start off the morning so far. One contract up I don't know, 437, 450 around there right now. Not bad. I mean, I'll take that doing absolutely nothing. That's really, really, really simple. Oh, what is going on, everybody? Let's see. ARM and Amazon today. We can take a look at those. New home sales at 10. Yep. Cheers from Cambodia. What's up, man? What are we trading? I trade future stocks and options, so we'll see what we get today. I mean, I don't really do a whole lot of day trading on stream. Most of my trades happen after the stream, but we talk a lot about the swings and overall market here. Found you on TikTok. What's up, everybody? How we doing? Yeah, I mean, a lot of you guys are coming over from Instagram and TikTok. Welcome to the streams. You guys are going to learn a lot. You guys are going to learn a lot sticking around over here. So, I mean, just ask somebody in the live chat kind of what the deal is. It's usually pretty good over here. Usually pretty good. Yeah, you guys have been cranking up on TikTok recently. That most recent video is at 250,000 views. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Well, let's see. Got your mastermind spot. Can't wait for it. Dr. Bob, there you go. Yeah, I mean, guys, those mastermind link spots are out. If you guys want to take advantage of those, remember, it's the only mastermind I'm ever going to do. It's the only one that we're going to have time for here. There's 150 spots. Those of you guys in the courses have first access to it with your 20% discount. And then next Sunday, I send it out to everybody else. So, you guys were filling up a lot of the spots yesterday. So, I mean, there is still some left. Let's see. You messed up and bought full price? Well, I can't do anything about that. Now I can't give you a partial refund. That's on you, buddy. I don't know. You guys had the discount code. Insiders dropping massive amounts of stock. Yeah, let's talk about that. A lot of people are coming out and saying that means that they know something that we don't. While that may be true, you got to think about what a lot of these stocks have done over the last 4 or 5 months here. It's okay. It's worth it. Thank you, Francisco. Appreciate that, buddy. Got your mastermind team. Let them know. If you guys got the mastermind and you're in the live chat right now, let the chat know. I'd love to see all you guys in here this morning. I know it's probably a lot of you guys that are in these streams. Well, let's see. So, what are we looking at? Coin is looking interesting. Oh, that dropped a little here. Lyft, another one I'm interested in. But you guys know, all you guys on the Swing Kings course, you guys know what I'm looking at this week. And then TLT is actually looking all right for a little reversal here. Let's see if yields can kind of come to the downside. How do you feel about CARG? C-A-R-G? Who can you take a look at that? I haven't looked at it, but no, this is nothing. This is nothing here. I mean, maybe on the weekly you could get something off of this, but yeah, kinda. If you break up above here, 24, I mean, your first take profit's gonna be 24.64. The risk to reward there is gonna be terrible. I mean, you could hunt for 26. When's their earnings? Oh, Car Gurus aren't. No, their earnings are today. So this one has earnings today. I wouldn't even look at this one. The Groupon chart, though, that I sent you guys, I realized after I had sent it initially out on that Twitter, this is exactly what we look for. This right here, this pop up, consolidate, pop, consolidate is exactly what we want to look for. It's just they have earnings today. So we're not going to be really dealing with that. You got the mastermind and everything's looking good? Bad man, there we go. Mastermind ready? Yep, CVS Coinland still? Yeah, it is. It is. And then, so only real big pieces of data that we're going to have this week is PCE on Thursday. Yeah, we're going to have GDP on Wednesday. I mean, I'd kind of expect that to be kind of at these expectations or a little higher, kind of with what we've been seeing with a lot of the data. It's not going to be great for what the Fed needs in order to decrease rates if that happens, but I don't know. I mean, we talked about BTFP in the newsletter this weekend. You got your first 2,300 profit on ES this morning. Francisco, good work. Is the TLT position being weird this morning? TLT, the options aren't open. This place is great if you like reptiles. I'm not a lizard. ES coming down a little. Eating into those overnight gains. That's only up, what, like 362 a contract there? It's not bad. I mean, it's free money. You don't have to do anything. You literally have to know nothing about the market, and you can still make money with that strategy. It's the easiest thing in the world. You caught HSIC on a swing trade? Yeah, I thought Trev was talking about that one in the live chat. Let's see. HSIC. Yeah, that's perfect. I mean, that's perfect. Great job. ARAC, that's awesome. See, and this is the thing too. I may not have identified this one or been in it or anything, but you guys did. That's the whole point of all of the things that I do with the courses, the mastermind. It's making you guys self-sufficient. Look at this. You just nailed an epic trade on this thing. From entry, your entry was probably like, let's say you were a little late on it and you got it right around here. You're up 4% if you traded the shares. Mastermind within the first 10 minutes of the drop. I know, you guys were flying in, taking off a lot of those spots. So, again, check your emails. If you didn't get the email, check the STV Swing Kings Twitter account, and you guys will have it over there. But if not, and again, you're in the courses, just message me. But everybody's going to have the link next week. So what I will say here, guys, is if you're curious about any of like my courses or anything, don't buy them this week. Get the mastermind because you'll get the courses for free. You're not going to get a discount to the mastermind, but basically you're going to be getting $600 worth of value for free from the courses there when I give that to you. And then you're going to get the 8 to 10 weeks where I go over everything with you guys, 2 1-hour sessions a week, and you guys are going to be set for life. So don't get it. Don't buy if you want to buy the courses, go for it. But like, if you want the deal and you want more value, just wait until next week and get whatever mastermind spots are left over, if there's any. But going into today, I mean, I like coin. I want to see what this thing wants to do. CLSK is another one that I'm interested in here. Even though some of these are not looking as great as we usually would, there are things that I'm going to show you guys in addition to what I've shown you in the Swing Kings course that a lot of these things are setting up and qualifying for. So we're going to go over that as well. Do you think we look overextended in the market? I mean, sort of, but not yeah, obviously. I mean, should we, with all of the macroeconomic headwinds, be at these levels? I mean, not really, but like, I think people are discounting the overall just crazy amount of money that's in the system. Now, the thing is that there's a key difference, and this is what I want you guys to realize. There's a very key difference between excess capital in the banking system and then capital gains made by institutional investors. What's the win ratio on the overnight strategy? I don't know. I could run the numbers for you. Like, I have all of the trades for you. Like, it depends on what you want to look for. Do you want to look at the overnight strategy over 30 years? Like, I would have the data, like the manual data for like a year and 2 months that we could go through. It's pretty good. Like, last month it was down 9 points. This month it's up like 110 points. All right. Like, and you had to do a total of 0 things. Like, nothing. Like, you buy it. Like, I literally could just tell it to you like this. And I made the video for free for you guys because I was like, it's this simple. You buy it 6, set a 9-point stop, sell it 9:30. That's it. No questions needed. It's that simple. Now we're coming down a little bit. Let's see. I'm still like I'm not like sick anymore. I'm just like congested. I didn't go out this weekend, which is, I mean, I kind of wanted to, but I had a lot of stuff to get ready for you guys for the mastermind. So I just kind of did that instead, you know, 9 stops out in the last 30 something trade. No, it doesn't. Oh, 9 stop outs in the last 30 something trades. Yeah, that's dirty. That's dirty. So what is that? Like a 65% win rate in the last 30 trades on it? It's nasty. I thought you mean like it's got stopped out in every of the last 30 trades. And I'm like, that's just not correct. No, it's good. I mean, it's a nice thing to have in your toolbox to just be like, all right, well, if like you just start the day off with like either a nice little win. Like one contract on ES, like at one point this morning was up $500. You think an algo could easily auto trade the overnight strategy? Absolutely. It's like the easiest. It's literally the easiest inputs in the world. It's time-based. That's it. It's time-based and a stop, and that's all you got to do. But again, team, make sure that you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. You guys are slacking a little this morning. In order to extend the stream today, remember, the like threshold now for us to go till 11 is 150. So if you guys want to extend the stream a little, make sure you guys get that up to 150 likes there. This is going to be an interesting day. I want to see, coin is really on the top of my watch list here. I think this one could be a real big one. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. And then AMD, like, I don't know. The weekly, it is kind of setting up. It's just the ranges are too big. It's not tight enough. That's what's kind of taken me away from AMD. Like, you guys, this is the last AMD trade. I mean, it's on the weekly, so it kind of, you can kind of see what we're looking at on the weekly there, but if you're looking at it on the daily, that was the last AMD trade here. Just absolutely filthy. And now the ranges are just a little bit too big for me to want to put risk on there. You know? So I just think that there's other solid setups in the market. Lyft is another one I'm looking at. I want to see what happens with this. Coming down, tapping off these levels, earn and sell off, kind of comes up, volume spike. I mean, there is something else that we would look at here. It's on the screen if you can find it. It's just not shown. But we're going to talk a lot more about that when we start the master classes. Coin, we pretty much marked the current rejection at 169.50. Yeah, I mean, I thought it was going to be a little bit crazy for that thing to get over 169 in the pre-market. It did. It's here right now, up almost 2%, $3. So I want to see where this thing ends up. I have a little baby position on it. So we'll see. We'll see. A lot of the things I'm doing now are a lot sized down, or I'm just taking like shorter expiration dates. Because with this market at all-time highs, like, or really close to all-time highs, you're gonna see this whipping around where you're seeing price discovery occur, where buyers and sellers are acting, and they're gonna be a little bit more sensitive to the data. Like, if we see bad data come out and the market's at all-time high, it's probably gonna sell off a little bit more than if the market was already down. If you see good data, it may not react as positively unless you see things like Nvidia start to rocket again. So, like, that's just going to start driving the market. The other thing is Apple. Apple has been lagging very, 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 very hard. If you look at Apple on the daily here, it has not been having any fun. Apple's is one of, if not the biggest, I believe, components of the S&P 500. And you see the S&P, SPY, SPX, ES all making new highs when Apple is just not, and it's just continuing to the downside here. Day trade week, it definitely could be. It definitely could be. I'd love to get one of those day trade mastery course strategy trades. I'd love to get one. Like, it's been a little bit. Less trades, more profits, though. You just got to let it rip. 2 and 5 year bill auction today. Was it 1 o'clock? Usually the bond auctions are at 1. Is that today? I would assume that's how it's like today. I would assume they're at 1. And then again, most of my day trades are coming in the afternoon anyway. Nvidia carrying the market right now? Yeah, it is. It absolutely is. Baba screwing around. CLSK looks good. We talked about that one. Coin just looks if you can clear, if somehow coin clears like 172 today, oh boy, you're going to have some fun. There's some potential to have some fun. Let's see. 15 minutes until market open, ladies and gentlemen. But when Powell? When is Powell? Is it next week? No. Didn't we already get Powell? Wasn't it on like the 31st or something? Or do we not have Powell this month? Hold on. Where is it? Hold on. I'll grab it for you. Do we not have a Powell in February? That's possible. Yeah, next one's March. Yeah, so the rate expectations for March is 97.5% that we're not moving. So no rate changes there. May 80. Wow, May is 81%. We're staying flat, and then yeah, it's like 54% for a 25 basis point cut in June, which I think should be a little higher. I think I'm putting it at like 85. Good morning, Vix. Good morning, Benjamin. 11:30 for the 2, 1 p.m. for the 5. Oh, interesting. Also, what's going on? I know it's getting brighter out over here. We got to make sure the camera. When you say coin can get crazy, what possible strike are you thinking of? Don't ask me specifics, man. Like, I can't tell you where to go. I mean, you have your level. Like, we have easy levels to spot here. You've got potentially 175, you got 187, and then you've got, like, 190s. Whatever, and then it's the sliding scale of risk. Like, going crazy, I would say, is back up to 187 in these highs. That's what I would say is going crazy. Yeah, no February Powell. You hope Groupon stays flat for earnings? I believe they already reported. I believe this is already, like, Groupon already reporting. Did they? No, I don't think they did. They're up 3% here. Maybe they did. Hold on. No, this is all January. No, I don't think they reported. That would be on the feed there. You're being very optimistic then, 200? Well, it depends. I mean, if you're going to go like 6 months out, that's not the worst thing in the world. But like the thing is trading at 168 right now. Could it get up there? Yeah, it definitely could. If Bitcoin and Ethereum and you start to see the market hold up a little bit, could it get there? Yeah, it definitely could. But that's a bit risky. Like if you're going to do that, I mean, again, it's sliding scale of risk. That's all you got to think about, the sliding scale of risk. Coin may need IWM over 200 to stay bullish today. I mean, not if the cryptos go a little nuts. Come on, ES. You're not going to give me a little fun? I mean, the overnight strategy is still up like $300 right now. So that's not bad. I mean, I'll take it. It's free money. Free freaking money. All right. Just got the Mastermind. I'm beyond excited to get better. Jay, welcome. You guys are filling up those spots super quick. When I saw you guys starting to go in yesterday, I was like, at the pace you're going, you might take it all today. But there are some still spots left over. Like in the first 10 minutes, I was like, what are you guys are like crackheads. But, I mean, it is going to be the best. Hold on. Where's my cap? I dropped my cap. And now I don't have a cap. But yeah, the Mastermind is going to be the best piece of financial education that you guys are ever going to receive from anybody on YouTube. We have time for one of them. I'm only doing one. 150 spots. If you guys are serious about your financial future, I mean, you guys know where to go. Everybody else that isn't in the courses is going to be getting the link next week. You're also going to get the courses for free as well. You're going to have a week to go through them, so you're a little bit prepared for some of the things that we're going to be going through. But let's do it, team. This whole, what are your thoughts on Buffett and Berkshire sitting on record high cash? Is it a percentage or is it a dollar amount? Because I don't know. If it's a percentage, then that's interesting. If it's a dollar amount, then I don't really care. Just inflation. Don't limited spots and not expect doorbusters, my man. I know. I just didn't. I knew a lot of you guys were going to fly in. I was just like, whoa. I would have to know if it's percentage or dollar amount. Because if it's dollar amount, it makes sense. It's all right, well, a lot of things have been going up pretty nicely. Well, we're already almost at 50 likes. I appreciate you guys. Let's see. Tally actually sold off a little bit there. Dollar amount, I believe. Yeah, then I would say that that's just due to inflation. Depends on how much it is, though. I'd love to look a little bit deeper into why all of these, a lot of these big insiders are selling. It is a bit strange to me. But here's the interesting thing about this that I think people don't necessarily get. When you talk about bubbles, and that's what a lot of people think that this AI situation is right now, or kind of almost the broad market with how we're ripping. You see a lot of euphoria, not right now with what we're seeing, which is disbelief. People are like, how? They're almost thinking more logically. So I don't know. I mean, I think people are pretty cautious about what they're doing in the market, and things are just you're seeing earnings basically come out and just let these stocks rip. A lot of these things are just earnings driven these days. They come out and beat expectations and boom. Good morning, team. Good morning, Grant. How you doing, buddy? Good morning, everybody. It's good to see all the familiar faces in here. It's good to see some of you new guys. If anybody is lurking around here and they're new, I'd love to say good morning and say hi and welcome you to the streams. I'd love to say hi. PDD, not happy you rolled the June last Friday. Is it getting hit again? Can we stop committing crimes outside, please? Yeah, that thing's getting blasted. Baba's holding up, though, I think. I mean, PDD had what? There was some, the Temu block or something? Or US was, like, blocking Temu stuff. Which is weird, because they allowed them to advertise in the Super Bowl, and then just said, no, you now can't do stuff. Nonsense, man. A lot of nonsense. CLSK, I'm interested in, though. I want to see how that thing does. Coin sitting at 169, I like that. I like how that looks. But yeah, I mean, a lot of the things I'm going to be doing this week are going to be probably a lot smaller size, shorter expiration dates, and see what we can do. That's kind of the game plan, and then just, if I see solid day trade opportunities, I just take them. That's it. That's it. Please don't commit crimes. No. Don't commit crimes anywhere. That's outside, inside, no crimes. Stop committing crimes, everybody. Temu block bullish for Amazon? Yep. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it definitely is. Especially, they're getting added to the Dow this week, I believe. Like, that's happening this week. How are they looking in the pre-market? Looking good. Up $1. I mean, it's only 0.5%, but look at the market. Market's down 0.5 point. So, this market's not really doing much. It's just kind of hanging out. 8 minutes. Let's see. How's that DG looking? Did that thing come back, or did it just... What did it do? Oh, you guys are actually setting up another DG trade. Depending on your expiration dates on the DG, I know a lot of you guys grab short-dated ones. I saw a lot of gains in like the 250% range for from those of you guys in the Swing Kings course. That's setting up again. If it can hold here, bounce back to the upside, and just stay right where it is, there is a potential for another move to the upside on DG here. And then HISC or something, whatever the other one was, that was another good one that you guys caught that I just didn't see. In which, that's what I love to see, guys. When you guys identify trades, and then I'm like, I don't know, but then you guys take them and nail them, it's like, that's the point. That is the exact point. You guys being self-sufficient like this, it just, like, furthers just, like, how good it just works. You guys see it over and over. This stuff just works. It's so simple. You look for very simple things. Bing, bang, boom, in, out, done. Today is the Dow entry for Amazon. Ooh, that could be fun. Yes. Come on now, buddy. All right, we got 6 minutes to go until market open. I'm excited for this week. I think we're going to have some fun. Coin up nicely. Let's see what happens with this. Weeble options glitching. The market's not open. How is it? What is the glitch? I don't, like, what is the glitch you're saying? Are you saying there's stuff moving? Weeble options are definitely glitching. Yeah, Weeble options are definitely glitching. Yeah, yeah. That's funny. Yeah, all right. Yeah, they're just having a glitch over there. I was trying to explain, like, you guys kept saying, like, oh, what's going on with Weeble? And then I haven't looked at it today, but yep, they are definitely glitching. Are all of your positions, open positions, just listed as 0? Yeah, 0. That's funny. Yeah, that'll correct some point when the market opens here, guys. It's probably just a weird data feed issue that they're having on there. And also, over for anybody that's using the overnight strategy, I believe we have rollover this week. You do not trade the rollover day. I have not seen a day right here. What is it? Friday? Thursday into Friday, I'm not using the overnight strategy because I've never seen rollover days that end up good. I've never seen it. Yeah, all your positions are at 0. Rug pull! That's funny. Yeah, I saw that. I was like, what the heck? Some people are shitting their pants. Why? Why? Like, it's a glitch, dude. I don't know why. Like, people are losing their mind. People always love to lose their minds. Oh, your TLT oh, that's why. Yeah, I was like, guys, the options market's not open. How are you talking about your TLT contracts? Now I get it. Now I get it. Weeble dropping the ball. Yeah. All right, what do we got? 4 minutes to go. Yes. Come on. Pull back up a little bit. Get to, like, something. I don't know. I'm still up, what, on this? 250 on the overnight strategy. It's nothing crazy, but it's free money. It's free money, man. Baba coming down. CLSK looks interesting. I mean, you guys know what I'm looking for. Yeah, people always lose their minds. Also, you guys don't necessarily like see it all the time because you're probably not looking through comment sections and don't have access to my messages. Remember how I used to say all the time about like the average intelligence of a person, and then the people that you interact with are like less than like the 50% margin there. Like 50% of the people you interact with are going to be lower than that. I swear to God, if another person DMs me or comments on my videos on Instagram or TikTok and asks me what time my live streams start in their time zone while messaging me or commenting on a device that's connected to the freaking internet, I'm going to lose my mind. Use Google. Don't do that. That makes me not want to talk to you. Like, I couldn't believe it, guy. I was like, what are we doing here? I could not believe my eyes. How many times I was asked that. I was like, are you kidding me right now? All right, what do we got? 2 minutes. Coin's looking freaking good this morning. Coin's looking freaking good. No, I was like, I can't deal with you. I go, and I felt like kind of an a-hole for this, but I was like, I don't know, Google it. Freaking, what are you asking me for? And then people ask me, yeah, Coin just got a nice move there. The ES trade forming? The ES trade is going to take some more. You could get a short. There might be a short in here somewhere. People are asking me after I said in the video as well. They were like, what's the name of your YouTube channel? And I'm like, that's why I said it in the video. And then people were DMing me. They were like, can you send me a link to it? And I was like, no, I can't. I'm not doing that. Dude, I don't know. People are just like, it's like the entitlement thing, and I don't know. It just gets wild. But all right, we got less than 2 minutes to go. Oh, Ralph, I think that was just a weird glitch candle. Murdered the overnight strategy on a few ES contracts. Ooh, you're getting risky with it. You're getting risky with it, Orlando. Yeah, I mean, that was fun. I mean, I just follow the strategy the way it's at. Wait, hold on. What time is it? I gotta make sure I don't get caught here. All right, we got 40 seconds here, and then I'm just gonna ditch it, be up a little bit on them. Free money to start the day. I'll take it. All right, this sun is gonna make me angry. Hold on, we're gonna do this. I got 30. Wait, hold on. 30 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. I gotta adjust the camera. I think that's good. Hold on. What time is it? We got 25 seconds to go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. All right. I could just kill it now. Yeah. What's it? 10 seconds to go? Yeah.
Order filled.
Order filled. We're done. Nice. That's nice. All right, so we're done with that. Market's about to open. Hey, good morning. I'm a new subscriber. Recently started trading. Still trying to make out what to do. Thanks for putting out the content. If you have any beginner tips, I would be grateful. Joseph, my biggest beginner tip is honestly going to be hanging out around here. You are going to learn a boatload. An absolute boatload. Ooh, coin getting spicy. Coin spicing it up. CRM is looking freaking great, man. All right, what are these at? Hold on. I'm gonna do that. Coin, there we go. I'm up nice on those. There we go. I'm up real nice on those. When Mastermind, it was in the video there. We start on the 12th. So all of you guys, again, everybody that's already in the courses has first access to the Mastermind there. Oh, yes, you had to do that. What else we got? Baba screwing around. CLSK looking good. Where's Telly? Nothing much. Yeah, so all of you guys in the courses have all of this week to get the first access to the spots with that discount code. Then I open it up next week to everybody. So if you don't get your spot or your discount before then, I mean, it might be too late. You guys were going wild taking those spots. All right, coin. What you want to do here? Facebook's up. I don't know. I'm up 40% on this coin trade I've got. 47. They're just kind of screwing around. I mean, if this thing rips a little bit more, which I think it might. I have like a random limit order out there, 52% on these. That's good. Let's see what happens with this. You already got it? There we go. There we go. Yeah, March 12th is the start date. Tuesday, March 12th. It's going to be 6 p.m. Eastern, but remember, they're all going to be recorded. You guys are going to have access to the unlisted YouTube links forever. So, you guys are all good to... Yep, here comes coin. There we go, man. Next level here that we're targeting, 175. That'd be sick. Tesla. All right, I'll give you a little Tesla. Here's what I'm doing on Tesla. Oh, man, it looks freaking good right down here. Here's the problem. You got a giant trend line on the weekly. It's like perfect almost. It's not even this. It's like a giant trend line on the weekly. Here, 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 here. It just follows right through. So I kind of want Tesla leaves when we break. Even though you guys know that I don't like to screw around with trend lines that much. Let's see. Coin new highs. That's great. Up 60-something% on those. 73% on the coins. Woo! We're starting off hot, ladies and gentlemen. We're starting off hot. There we go. Yeah, a little bit more on this thing, and I'll be able to get taken out at make it free at 100%. Then I got free coin contracts. There we go. That'd be nice. That would be real nice. ES looking all right. I mean, you kind of double topped here. Not really. Ooh, Baba making a little move there. Hello. What the hell is the trend line? We don't mess with that? No, I know. I don't like them. But in that case, on the weekly time frame, I mean, 81% on the coins now. Just get up to where I want you, and then we're chilling. Let me scale out, and then we're fine. Make it free. Is there always going to be set days during the week, like Tuesdays? It's going to be Tuesdays and Wednesdays every week. 92% on the coin. Come on, get up. I need 20 more cents on these contracts, and then I'm good. 25. I don't know. I just want it to hold. Let me... Dang, we didn't get that pop that I wanted. I could go basically risk-free here, but nah, I'm gonna let those rip. I wanna get my over 100% scale out on the coins. Your GMs are starting to pump. From last week, those were good. Baba coming up. Where's GM? Is that above 40 yet? Yep. Oh, that's TP1 right there on GM. If you had shares on GM, there's TP1. There you go. Boom. That was a good one. Coin's losing it. Coin lost it. Dang. One of those. 67% now. I'll just keep holding them. Whatever. We'll let those go. It's so small that it doesn't matter. I just want to get a free coin position for potential nonsense to the upside this week. GM, great one there, though. That was another one. I mean, I tweeted that one because we saw that during the week. Let's see. Oh, you guys are slacking on the like button this morning. I see how it is. It's 150 is the like threshold to extend the stream until 11 today, guys. So again, costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot. Let's see. Baba right back down. GM looking good. Where's Lyft? Lyft moving. I like that. Well, my coins just popped. Yeah, my lifts are looking good. If Lyft can clear like 1643, I think we could have some fun. I need coin above like 174.20. I think is about where I'd get these. So just a little bit more of a pumpy pump there, and I'm good to go to make those free. And it doesn't look like it wants to give it to me. Maybe. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? ES looking decent. This ES trade that I think you guys were talking about in the live chat, I don't think qualifies. You got 87 to... Oh, you might. Oh, here comes coin. This might do it for me. Break 174, and then I think I'm going to nail it here. Yeah, there's 174. I'm up 91 per... Come on, go. Go. Come on. That's a whole nother $1. What are you doing? Give me my freaking sell. Yeah, there we go. All right, thank you. 112% on the coins. Dude, I swear options have been moving incredibly weird recently. Incredibly weird. All right, so now I have free coin contracts. I can do whatever the heck I want now. Cool. Done. I thought it was going to be like 174.20 I was going to get taken out. Not a whole nother $1 higher, almost another $1 higher than that. And then they're still screwing around with them. I mean, I got it, but... So, another gem from the Swing King list, man. There you go. Anybody got the CLSK? Above here, above 17? Guys, this is a gem. Anybody get the CLSK from the Swing Kings list? I wasn't able to grab it this morning, but that's a really good one. That's a gem right there. Look at that. Was that the one that I was telling you guys might gap? I think it was. I think CLSK was the one that I told you might gap, but it didn't, and we just got a nice move up. And then blast right through. Is it still going? Yeah, you got it there. What are my coins up right now? 110%. That's not bad, man. I mean, they're free. Move too quick for you? Oh, the spreads on CLSK were wacky? That's annoying. I don't know, man. Coins looking freaking good. That's probably the gem of the week so far. I'm gonna... Are you on 10-minute ES? No, I'm on 15. I'm never on the 10-minute. It's always 15-minute or 5-minute for me. Dude, I cannot wait to start this mastermind with you guys. Like, once you see some of these things, you're going to be like, how do you know that? You're like, I just do. I don't know. There's a lot of things. I was going over stuff. Lyft, I'd like to see a little more follow through here. Where's Telly? TLT is looking interesting. TLT is looking interesting. Ooh, you guys are getting closer on the like button. You're about halfway there to extend the stream today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. I appreciate that. Welcome to all the new people. If any of you guys are new in the live chat coming over from Instagram or TikTok, I know a lot of you guys are subscribing over there. Let me know. I'd love to meet you guys. Say hi. We got a nice group in here. I mean, again, these guys have been around with me for what, like 2 years? 2 years live streaming. I'd love to meet some of you new people, though. Oh, coin. Oh, coin. You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have. Jeez. And, dude, they're only up 114%. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. That's crazy. Like, that's insanity. Well, okay. So, I'm not going to... All right, I'll tell you guys what I have. remember, since it's a small position, I have the 190s for this week. So that might be why I'm not getting what I need to. I might have been a little too aggressive with it, which is fine. But if they hit, that's like, because options, we were having this conversation last week about how options were moving so strange that I was like, well, I'm not going to take any. I'm either just going to trade more shares, or I'm just gonna take like shorter, like smaller positions on like weeklies that could go nuts. Cause like I have to get the risk to reward in my favor. If they're gonna screw around with the options chain, I'm not playing their game. There we go. 125%. That's good. 126. 130. There we go. That's good, man. That's good. They're free. They are free. So you can do whatever you want with that. The CLSK is dude, the thing is up 11% today. 11%. I alerted you guys this yesterday. You go, boom, right here. Ding, 17, rip. Thank you very much. You sacrifice some delta in the short time frame to gain gamma in the long end. That's correct. That's the technical description of what I did. Because as price gets closer and closer to the strike, the ramping up of the premium on the contracts gets more and more and more, especially with something like coin. Up 5% on the day, doing nothing. Gotta love it. Thank you. No problem, 1 of 1. Good for you, buddy. Good for you. Yeah, I'm up about 5% on the day, too. That's about what I'm up. 5.5, around there. 177.50, you're taking coin to the downside? I wouldn't do that if I were you. But I know you probably have some other stuff cooking that's going to be a hedge against. So do what you got to do. This should have played out better. Coin still going. Okay, might want to take the cash back on that. And just wait. And just wait for the break. Yeah, I like that. I like that idea there. Yeah, alright, cool. Cool. Yeah, that's what I'm playing on it. It's the gamma on Delta. So for those of you guys that don't know, gamma, let's explain it this way. Delta measures, with all other things being held equal, how much you would expect your options contract to increase based on a $1 move in the underlying. Meaning, for every $1 that coin goes up, how much would I expect to make with all other factors being held equal? In economics, that's called ceteris paribus. Gamma measures the rate of change of delta, because delta is not constant. So as you get closer and closer to the money, or like price gets closer to your strike, the deltas get higher and higher. So what gamma does is it measures the rate of change of delta. So if gamma starts to ramp, the contracts start to explode in value. Here we go on coin. Coin's up 7%. 140% on the... There we go. Apple and Google selling. Google makes sense that it's selling with all the nonsense that they have with their Gemini thing. I don't know why Apple's chart would just be like... Apple's chart is terrible. If this market loses a year, Apple's going to like really not have fun. Because look, you got this level, kind of this here, but that was earnings, and then this right here. So you almost have this triple bottom. If it loses, spaghetti-o, you're selling, and that's not going to be great for the market. Where's NVIDIA today? We haven't even looked at that. Here comes BABA to the upside. I like to see that. CVS trying now too. Yeah, that one to me, it's good. It's a great... Did I do this wrong? There we go. Ah, my computer's being an a-hole. No, I like it. I like the setup. It's just... I don't know how quick it can move. Mara's up 9%. Nice, guys. Coin ripping. Love it, man. This is what we do. This is what we do every day. Up 5%, and I've taken no trades. Zero. Nothing. I woke up and made money. Same thing with the overnight strategy. Woke up, made money. Easy. Shares play for you? I don't hate that. The one we're gonna talk. Some of you guys I think have struggled with holding your winners. With the swing strategy. Now, there's two things you're gonna see it. Those of you guys that have hopped into the mastermind, we're gonna talk about that a lot. I'm gonna basically show you not a better way, but something that you can add to the Swing King core strategy and just make it better. You can front run stuff sometimes, because you guys see me front run moves. There's reasons why I'm front running them. One of them is inside bars, but the other one we haven't talked about yet. Look, Neo's looking spicy. All right, we can take a look at that. There you go on CVS. I mean, that could be a fun one. I just think I'm going to stay out of that. Neo, no. This is nothing. This is nothing for me here. Let's get Baba back on here, see how that thing's looking. 76.43, I like that. China has actually been slowly, kind of secretly moving to the upside there. I think it's HSI is moving up pretty good, but that's, I think, Singapore or something. $154% on the coins. I'm letting those rip, man. You guys think I'm selling that coin? You're crazy. They're free. So I think I scaled out. I sold half. Well, no. I sold half about at 112%. So if the remaining portion of my position goes to 0, I've made 6% on the trade. That's easy math. But CLSK, damn, man. Those were dirt. Ooh, ES coming down. Hello. I didn't see that. That's interesting. Baba holding on here. CLSK holding on. And coin getting hit a little, but nothing crazy. Nothing crazy there, man. But Trev, what's that? What are you talking about there? Oh, guys, I don't think you're going to be able to hit the like threshold today to extend the stream. I mean, you guys are 21 away from 100, then you got 50 more. You guys are slacking today. Telly not doing anything. Apple not so much. But there's no data today really that we got to cover as well. CLSK is the winner. I mean, unless coin gets back up to 193, then I'll be thrilled. Because the coin setup has the potential to be 1,000%er. You guys want me to give you a hint? So with the overnight strategy, would there be an instance where you wouldn't take it? Only on rollover. Only on rollover. But I was talking to somebody, and they were like, yeah, I was testing around with the overnight strategy, and I found a couple of ways that we might be able to make it better. And I was like, send them over. I mean, I'm always down to look at data. But here's one of the things that you got to look for. Watch when I click this show button where it looks like where I bought. So ready? See that? See that right there? At a level, bing. We're going to put that away for now. And look what we have now. Bounce, rip. Consolidation after good earnings, bounce, rip. So, that's a little hint. That's a little hint at what we're gonna do, just to add to the just the power of the Swing King scores. Yeah, the reason why I don't take it on rollover is I've never in the time that I was testing it in the last year and a half, I've never seen a rollover day that does well. AAL, is that ripping? I'm out of it. I just didn't like how it was moving, but is it moving? That's good. I mean, are you guys still in this? Are you guys still in this one? I kind of wrote about this in the newsletter with you guys, or not the newsletter, the Swing Kings email that I sent. I was like, if things, when you guys see our trades fire off, they usually happen very quick and super aggressively. If I don't see that, to me, it makes more sense to just cut the loss and find something else, or even take the tiny gain and then just like find a better trade. With shares, I usually treat it a little bit differently. Hit the like button. Thank you, 1 of 1. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, I mean, textbook. That thing's moving along there. What are you sitting at in terms of risk to reward? 1 to 2.69. Was out last week, didn't move quick enough. With shares, it's different. I'll hold them. Just because, like, the reason why I'll sell options positions quickly is obviously theta. Like, if I have short time to expiration and it's lagging on me, you're up 20%. Nice. I don't want to have to deal with being right on the trade and not making the gains that I want to because I decided to trade a levered instrument versus just trading the shares. So that's happened a few times recently where, like, I'm spot on correct. It just chops around a little bit and it eats into the potential gain. So it's like, yeah, it still would have been an all right gain, but it's not worth the risk of that going to zero and losing the 1-2% that I have in it. Well, Tally back up. Where's ES? It's trying to get eaten here. Coin, screwing around. Where's Baba? Baba looking good. The thing is Baba's got a hold up here. I don't really have a whole lot of confidence that Baba's going to be able to hold these levels. What have you seen? It comes up here, sells. Comes up here, sells. Comes up into these, sells. Like, it's got to really get some clean momentum above some of these levels here to even attempt 77, right around there. Like, right up at these levels, it's got to make that attempt, but it needs to hold because all of a sudden, what we've seen with Baba is it's up at this area and then, boom, just gets sold into. So you got to be careful with it. Smash that like button, Mo. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, I mean, a lot of those trades, DG, AAL, CVS, CLSK. I think CLSK is the big winner from this week, and I don't think anybody took it. I didn't take it. I was too focused on coin. I think CLSK does have Bitcoin exposure as well. I think they do have crypto exposure, don't they? Don't they? Oh, this is really bright now. Hold on, let me adjust the camera. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Hold your horses. Now it's too dark. Well, you know, we're gonna deal with it. we got more money to make. I mean, you kind of got something here, but you're right under that BJ key level that I don't really want to play around with. AAL looking good. Baba, I mean, it looks okay. It's looking all right. Ideally, like above 77 on Baba is what I want. What I want to see out of it today. It's up 0.6%. Like, this thing can move. So, we'll see what it wants to do. ES not doing a whole lot. I mean, it's just trending up. I don't think this trade... Does this trade qualify on a retest? I'd almost be more willing to take the short from here to here. Like the... It's probably like right here-ish. Yeah, Baba does look nice. I just like... I don't have the most confidence in it that it's not just going to get whacked back down. Work on TradeAvate. They do if you set it up the same way. I just like charting on TradingView and then trading on a different on the brokers. Like, people are like, how are you trading on TradingView? I'm like, well, I'm not. I use OBS and I just record that little area of like the P&L. You know? So, I don't know. We'll see what happens with Baba. I mean, coin, if it really wants to get going, you could see 180 today. It hit 178. Great trade there. I mean, that's a great way to start off the week, guys. Nice little over 100%er on coin. Make it free. Have some nice upside throughout the rest of the week if crypto wants to get going. Still looking at lift. I mean, I basically cut that at break even. it was the same kind of thesis as coin, but you didn't get that Bitcoin pop. So I'd be more looking at a break off of, see, break above right here, 1640, and then we could GM at 4050. Oh, you guys are killing it on GM, aren't you? Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah. What are you guys up on the options on GM? Because that was another one that I cut because it wasn't moving fast enough. GM, another gem here, guys. What are you guys up on those? It's so funny. It's like I was out of some of the trades that we were talking about, and then you guys aren't in some of the ones that I'm in. But it's the same thing. Like we're all doing the same exact thing here. GM ripping. Look at that. Yeah, so that's the trade that we mapped out last week on GM. Gonna start a funded account this week. There you go, Ben. Yeah, I believe Apex is now doing an 80% off sale. So if you guys are interested in that, I mean, here's the link to Apex. There you guys go. Dude, what is going on with GM? I kind of wish I held them now. Kind of wish I held them now. Look at that freaking beast. What are you guys up? It's got to be crazy because, like, this is well out of normal market moves for GM. GM does not make these types of moves. So you guys might be sitting real pretty on those. Here comes coin again. Where's Baba? See? It's coming down. Just getting sharked. Jeez, guys. I mean, you're up at, what? 70% on GM? Nice. What was your strike and expiration date, Alec? 80%? Nice. Nice. I also had this week contracts on it. I don't want to screw around with it too much, but I'm holding the coins. Coin, I'm going to hold. Those are up still about 154%. 156. I'm up 6% on the day here. That's pretty freaking good. I'll take that all day long, on a Monday especially. Oh, we just hit 20K followers on Instagram. Let's go. Oh, that's pretty epic. Thanks, guys. I appreciate that. You should have held your DPZ calls. 40 for the 28th of March. Yeah, so you got time on it. That's why. That's fine. I mean, that's okay. I bet the ones that I was looking at are probably up like 200-300%. That's okay, though. Like, I don't... I'm fine with riding the coins and all the other stuff that we had today. Hi, my first day, Warlock. Welcome, but everybody, I want you to give a nice warm welcome to Warlock. Are you into crypto? You're new? I mean, I screw around with it sometimes. I usually just trade like the crypto stocks. Like, that's what I do. Not really into crypto. The vast majority of what I do around here is I trade stocks, futures, and options. That's what I do. So, coin looking great for us. Baba's being an a-hole. The GMs are... Dude, GM is running right through to TP there. There you go. There you go. So, I mean, you already hit TP1 at 40.06. Daniel, I have no idea, man. I haven't been over there in like 5 months. Oh, you guys are so nice to the new people. Thank you. See, Baba, I don't have confidence that that thing's just going to continue higher. I still have a little bit of it, but I rolled everything to, like, longer expiration, so, like, I'm not going to get hit by the chop. But, like, you are setting up again within here. It's like, it almost reminds me of Ulta, where you had the weekly setup, and then it forms into a daily setup. So, like, if you look at what we did on Ulta, and you look at it on the weekly, this was our weekly setup on Ulta. Boom, we blasted this one. I made about 80% on it, nothing crazy. And then we had the daily setup on Ulta right here, and I nailed this one for like 200-300%. So that's kind of what you're looking at on Baba. It just needs to get the break. Oh my God, Ulta just kept running. Dude, Ulta's at 550. And that is also one of the reasons why I want to trade a little bit more shares, because the expiration dates on these options are just like I'd rather just hold the shares. The risk to reward is the exact same. I'd just rather have a position that doesn't have an expiration date. So what here's kind of what I'm thinking. Here's what I'm thinking. A lot of my option trades going forward are probably going to be within, and this is not, they're probably going to be within like 2 weeks of expiration. Is this a good time to learn to start trading crypto? Well, I mean, you don't have to trade crypto, man. You can trade futures, options, stocks with us too. I mean, all my concepts, especially the swing, mainly the swing concepts, are going to apply a lot in crypto. So, coin look, see, in that, like, I'd rather get better risk to reward on shorter dated options and then also buy the shares. Like, you know, like keep the risk the same, but I also then have a position that like doesn't, like, won't expire. What brokers do I use? For options, I have Webull. For futures, well, options and stocks, I'll use Webull. I might start doing it in my big account, though, if I'm trading shares, like my really big long-term account. And then for futures, it's Tradevate and NinjaTrader. So, Joseph, what I would do is hang around here for a couple of weeks, and you're going to get the gist of what we're doing. It's very simple. You're going to see a lot of people out on the internet talking about, like, strategies, trying to make it seem like they're smarter than they are, which in reality, they don't understand macroeconomics. They do not understand finance. They do not understand why markets move the way that they do. They think that there's just one crazy algorithm running the market, which is not correct. Coin, ripping. So, again, I have those courses right now, but, I mean, again, I don't think that's going to be for you. Just hang around here. You're going to pick up a lot of things. And if you do have questions, you just let me know, and I'll help you out. Because I can't just be like, all right, well, let's start from the beginning. 190% on the coins right now. Those are good. So, I'm up 6.7% on the day here. What's the minimum amount you can start? 0. You should be paper trading first, but you can start with any amount of money. Any amount of money. And I swear to God, do not ask me the question. Sorry, this is not at you. This is just in general. Do not ask me how much money you need to make $100 a day. This is not fixed income. A lot of people are selling that weird nonsense about, like, oh, make $100 a day, make $500 a day. And just by saying that, it just shows everybody that they have no idea actually how trading works. You don't go into the market and be like, I'm going to try and make $100 today. That's not what you do. You go into the market and say, what are the good setups that I'm able to identify, and you just trade them. And you shouldn't be thinking about how much money you can make in a day anyway. You should be thinking about what are the steps that I need to take right now to be able to accomplish what goal I have for the year. You have to have a long-term vision or you will fail. Like, I was talking to some guy on Instagram this weekend, and he was just like, I need to make $100 a day for this. And I go, honestly, dude, don't trade. Like, seriously, don't. You're going to fail. If that's your goal, you're going to get led into those emotional and psychological mistakes. And is it okay that you're asking multiple questions? Yeah, man. Ask as many questions as you want. Because, like, even at that point, if people are going to be, like, even with my courses and my strategies and everything, like, if you're going to operate in the market that way, not even me bulletproofing the strategies is going to save you. Because you're just going to try to do other things. Like, I don't think I've had a trade from the Day Trading Mastery course in, like, I don't know, I think there might have been one no, I mean, well, I took a trade when I wasn't supposed to on Friday. That's absolutely right, Bix. The fact that you say that tells me you're the real deal. The dollars a day is clickbait. It is. It's bullshit. It's sorry for my language. Like, it's BS is what it is. This is not fixed income securities. It's not what this is. This isn't like, you think I go into the market every single day and try to figure out, like, how I can make, like, $1,000 a day in my swings? No. Sometimes I'll make, like, 10 grand. Sometimes I'll make nothing. That's not what this is about. It just isn't. Oh, we're 14 likes away from 100. Thank you, guys. Yeah, coin's looking good. ES screwing around. Where's Alibaba? I don't know, but Ulta is a monster. Where's Baba? Is it still above 76? Yeah, it's all right. I mean, it's holding up better than it has been in the past. I'd love to see what happens to coin above 80. I'd love to see what happens with coin above 80. And then again, guys, you guys all that are already in the courses, but don't get angry. Your questions are foolish. No, most of the time, I don't yell at you directly for a question. I will more so say broadly, this is why I don't like that question, but it's not against you. I don't, like, sometimes I don't like the question, but it's not me yelling at you. Are you going to live stream the Futures Challenge you're talking about? Oh, I might. I still got to do that. The Gamble the Apex account on stream. That would be fun. I still got to get one. We could do that at some point, but yeah. And then, so again, you guys that want the Mastermind, those spots are filling up really quick. So again, all you guys in the courses, I have the links. You have the discount code. And then next Sunday is when the links go out to everybody. The 4,700 people email list. I'm going to give it to you guys in the live chat here too. Warlock, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Coin covered your $100 a day for the next week already. Thanks, STV. There you go, Romeo. There you go. Yeah, 194% on the coins. I want to try and ride these to 1,000%. That's my ideal goal here. I think we could do it. Exactly. If you lose 50, then you need to make like 150 the next day. You got the Mastermind. Have you added content yet? No. That's what I talked about in the video and in the thing where it says read this. No, no. There's like sections in there, but there's no content in it. The content is going to start getting added on March 12th when we start. It's going to be live stream. We might do a test stream. So at one night this week, you guys might see me screwing around with it. Just like you can hop in and say hi, but like, I need to, like, the one thing I have to test is to make sure that I know how to set it up in the thing. But it doesn't matter, because even if it doesn't really work inside the platform, the link to the unlisted YouTube stream is going to be there. But no. So, all of you guys in the courses have this week to hop in with your discount code and fill up those 150 spots. And then everybody else gets the second week. And then the March 12th is when we start. Coin flashing 180 there. I should be up over 200%. And I am. 206%. Thank you very much. 214%. Look at us. Sorry, my bad. Rush to get it so you don't miss out. Yeah, that's kind of what I expected people to do. So, like, I did get a couple questions like that, but that's why I put that on there. I was like, just, like, there's not anything in there yet because we haven't started the live sessions. But there is a little bit of a brief outline of the first few weeks, and you guys can kind of see which topics we're going to start with. Dude, we just nailed coin. And technically CLSK, but I didn't trade it, so we can't count CLSK. I gave it to you guys. If anybody took it, I mean, you probably are up 300-400%. But I mean, I love this coin trade here. AAL's, look at this. AAL's looking great for you guys. See, look at this. Look at us. See, it's simple, guys. Once you guys understand this, it's the simplest thing in the world. GM almost got to that full TP there, that 1 to 4.27 risk to reward. But like, here's the thing. This could just be your second take profit here, guys. On share, if you were trading GM with shares, second take profits up here, it hits. Let's say you end up selling 2/3 of the position. You can throw a stop at 40 on the remaining third and just have basically free GM shares. Special teams, special plays, special players. You think coin could reach 195 again? If it does, I'm going to be thrilled. If it does, I'm going to be thrilled. Nice day. Trade on PayPal. Nice, Armando. There you go. Yeah, I mean, you're welcome. No, not the PayPal stuff. I was looking at coin GM, but that's the thing that you guys can do, and that's what I talked about with you guys in that course was like you can just get free positions. So just be like, all right, well, Especially if it's a stock that you already like. Like, I like to bring up RKT as a great example of this. Like, where was our trade on RKT? It was right here. 841. The thing goes all the way up to freaking 15. You liked first this live stream 16 hours ago? Thanks, but thanks, Warlock. Appreciate that. AWK is actually looking terrible, Mike. That stock used to be the stock that never went down. Look at this. On the monthly, AWK for years never went down. From 09, it just went up. And then it shifted, and now everybody's probably upset about it. But AWK has been... That's back in... Like, this is back when I first looked at it. Or no. No. Here? I thought I was looking at it in, like, the 80s. The thing just never went down. American Waterworks. Everybody probably bought it after The Big Short came out. Like, The Big Short probably pumped that stock. Because at the end of it, it's like, Michael Burry only invests in one thing. Water. And then everybody just bought it. Learned so much from you, man. Thank you for everything you share to help people. Armando, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. All right. Bob is being a a-hole. Coin. Hey, coin, I mean, that's a banger right there, man. Coin's a banger. 200% on those. Free. It's free. You've been watching AWK for a while? I don't like it now. I used to like it. Where's AMD today? That I do have to know. It's chilling. Dude, I gotta figure out what to do with this. I gotta somehow offset the tax of, like, the capital gains tax on this thing. I have to. It's too ridiculous. I don't want to pay it. I just don't. I wish they had, like, a 1031 for stocks. I really wish they do, because I would just be like, put it in Palantir or something. Put half of it in Palantir or something. Do stocks and crypto have an impact on each other? Yes. They're both basically... crypto's basically securitized now, so... Yeah, they move pretty much together. Just got here 5 minutes ago. Covered the cigar already. Baba seems like it's in La La Land. It's not bad. It's just... Like, we talked about this before. Like, when it was up at the highs of the day, what did I tell you guys? I said, I think that this thing's just going to get sold right back off into and come back down. I have a theory about crypto that really is not going to help. Don't sell it. Don't get taxed. No, I know, but that's been the motto for, like, the last, 5-6 years I've had that thing? Maybe more. I have, like, this theory on crypto. I call it the infinite supply theory, where it's synthetic infinite supply with high-frequency trading algorithms. Because we don't have to go over it. It's not... Like, if you think logically, every single day, there's X amount of whatever coins that are going to be offered to sell at any given day. But there's almost, like, an effectively infinite way that those coins can be traded. And if the high-frequency trading algorithms trade fast enough, you can just circle the transactions really quick in circles. So the same coin goes around and around and around and around and around. Which one gets manipulated by the whales mostly? Both of them. I don't really care about that stuff, though. It's not really... Like, if you're going to really be worried about, like, institutions in the market, you shouldn't be trading. Jack, my Tuesdays are full. Is this something we need to be there for? Can we get what we need from the videos? If you're going to have questions on some of the stuff that we cover, it's going to be helpful for you to be there. But as with all of the courses and everything else we do, once you guys watch them and you have questions on stuff, especially when we get into the more advanced financial concepts, the portfolio building and things like that, like valuation, macro stuff, if you guys have questions on that, just message me. But I'm going to be doing the live streams at 6 p.m. Tuesdays Eastern and then 6 p.m. Wednesdays Eastern. They're going to be about an hour each. And then you guys are going to have the links to the unlisted YouTube stream. So then you guys are good to go. But all you course members have this week. This is the course members week to hop in. If you guys miss it next week, It gets sent out to everybody. Whatever spots are left get sent out to the 4,700 people email list. I'm going to put it in this live chat too. And people are going to be getting the other 2 courses as a part of it too. People are just going to start flying in. You guys have already flown in. Coin, give me 180, 150 so you can flip intraday. I want it. I think this thing's got legs. Where's he at? Just chilling. All right, guys, give me 2 seconds. I got to run to the bathroom. Oh, we're at 90 likes right now. If you guys get it to 100, nothing's going to happen, but I'll love you. Thank you. Appreciate it. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. All right, I'm back. What you're saying about crypto is your theory of fractional shares from 2017 and the advent of prop firms. Prop firms don't have anything to do with it. They're all, like, they're not real. Like, prop firms are, like, the vast majority of them, when they say that they're live, they're not. They're paper accounts. You guys couldn't even hit the like button. Slackers. All right, I see how it is. Coin ripping! Oh, look at this. What are we up on the coins? 248%? Good work. 250? 251? Oh, yeah. Let her go. Let her go, man. 260? Any recommendations of a video you have recorded for beginners? I don't think I have one. It's hard, though. There's so, like, it depends on what you're probably going to get the most answers by just asking me questions here, Warlock. Because there's so many different things that, like, I could talk about with, like, beginners and trading. Like, I'm not going to sit there and be like, this is how to buy. This is how to sell. Like, no, I'm not. That's not, well, like... But if you do have questions about anything, you just let me know. Like, I trade basically on swings. I trade breakouts. And the day trading mastery course strategy is just, it's like there are key levels I look for to buy and sell off of. And what the market does is irrelevant to what I want to do. Dude, coin ripping. 268% on coin. Thank you. Easy money. Look at us. Printed money in the stock market. All you gotta do is pay attention to the watch list I send you guys. That's it. The CLSK one, though, was the winner. That was the big winner. Are these going to go to 300% right now? Oh, no. No. It's just chopping around 182. I mean, Bob is trying to come back up. We'll see what happens with that one. I moved the expiration date out a little bit to April on that one. Coin. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Get up to 183. Why don't you? How about that? How about that? Coin, nice big volume pop on the 5-minute. Yep. Yeah. I'm just watching it on the daily. That's all I'm doing here. I've already made it free. I don't need to do much else there. You know? $296%. What a way to start the week, guys. Overnight strategy printed, coin printed, CLSK printed, AAL printed, GM printed. Like, it's just print city over here. Nobody, no, who else do you know that's calling all these stocks before they explode? Who else? Let me know. Let me know. There isn't one. It's me. The Swing King. All right, you cracked 183. Why am I not up over 300% on these? Come on. There we go. 302. I'll probably throw that screenshot on my Instagram in a little bit. I'm just not going to do it now. What a freaking trade. Great start to the week. Great start to the week. If on the off chance we hit 190 today, I'm out. Just letting everybody know. If we go to 190 today, another $7, I'm out. Just letting you know. Couldn't get a short entry with volume climate. You could. Oh, are you talking about coin or are you talking about ES? I don't see anything I like on it yet. I'm probably, if I do anything on ES, I'll wait till the afternoon and then trade it around there. I might start making more YouTube videos for you guys, though. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I mean, you guys coming over from Instagram and TikTok have, like, really started to, like, run up the subscriber count here. So I might make some more videos for you guys. If you guys want any topics discussed, let me know. I'm open to anything. Coin back down. That's fine. Where's Baba? Baba on its way back up. All right. All right, Baba. You going to get going today? That's nice. Hold on. Alright, hold on. I'm tweeting. I'm tweeting! Have I looked at pool yet? I have not. What's pool? We swimming? Nah, I don't like that. Weekly, maybe. Too big of a range. Too big of a range on that one. Yeah, possible on the weekly. It's just a little bit too big of a range. How's that CVS playing out? Where's Tor? Ooh, came right back down. See, that's why I don't like this one. I just don't think it can move. And then, where's, like, the GM that you guys were at? No, that's not GM. This is GM. That's the weekly. Let me throw this on the daily. No, I mean, that's still up there. That's still looking good. AAL was another one. AAL looking phenomenal here for you guys. There you go. There you go, man. Not too great hanging out in it. Yeah, see, that was the one thing I was like, yeah, like, it's just it can still go. I just, like, that's the reason. Like, we were talking about that for a while. I was like, it looks good. It's just not a stock that, like, usually rips. Can it? Yeah. But, like Ulta was one that I was like, I don't know. But then it cranked for us. The initial buys on Ulta were at, like, 483. And the stock's now at 550 something. I mean, I haven't looked at it in the last couple minutes, but it was at 550 something last time I saw it. What about MCD? MCD popped up, I think, on the screener. No. Are you talking weekly setups? I wouldn't be looking for weekly setups right now. Here's why. This. Markets at all-time highs. I want to be a little cautious with some of these things. Like, yeah, you could do it. I would take them with shares, probably. Make sure your risk is intact, because the options on some of these things are going to be a bit ridiculous for you guys. Well, that's kind of what I'm looking at there. Coin dropping. That's fine, though. I mean, we're still cranking on that one. Where's Baba? Alibaba. How are we looking? 76.38. That's not bad. Again, I want it above. I want to see how it reacts above 77. And honestly, yeah, 77. We got to break. So many headwinds. Christian, you have a good day, buddy. Yeah. See, like, boring. That's the problem. It's like I'll take the daily setups. The quick ones. I'm just a little bit more cautious about taking the weekly ones just because the market's just like trying to identify something that can help. Yeah, so like again, the screener's not going to catch everything, guys. It might give you like 1 or 2 per week. And then what I do is I go through every single stock in the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and IWM. And that's where you guys get your list from. Or if I just see something that I know looks good from like us being on stream. CTRE. Is this a REIT? I don't know if I'd trade a REIT. I don't like it. That chart looks good. I mean, I just don't know if I would trade a REIT. I don't think REITs are going to be doing very well. Oh yeah, again, it's a REIT. Like it's gonna. For those of you guys that don't know, REITs are real estate investment trusts. So they buy a bunch of real estate, and then as part of being publicly traded as a real estate investment trust, they have to give, I believe, it's almost all of the profits back to shareholders in the form of a dividend. So you look at this dividend, it's relatively high, 4.85%. I gotta sneeze. You sold your coin 185 too early. Yeah, I'm holding it. Where is it right now? It's chilling. It's chilling. Those are up right now. Mine are up 280% on the coins right now. Can we stop honking outside? Yeah. Ooh, 6 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. Appreciate it. Hey, again, remember, guys, we're live every single day, Monday through Friday. Look at us, just printing on a Monday. Just making money on a Monday. Yep, just trying to identify them for myself and get used to identifying setups. Like you said, you're not around forever, and I'm trying to learn to fish. Exactly, Boric. Yeah, so you're on the right track. I think the thing that I want a lot of you guys to focus a lot more in on, especially, I mean, this is mainly towards those of you guys in the courses that are trying to identify tickers, is think about what the stock, like, you guys all know which stocks move and which ones don't, you know? Like, I like to trade the stocks that I know can move. Mara, Affirm, Coin, PayPal, DraftKings, AMD, like those types of things. Like, once we get into, like, look, it's a REIT, it's like, nah, I'm not doing that. Or, like, a random biotech. Like, I'm not, like, it's not for me. Can you do it? Can it still work? It absolutely can. It's just, you're going to have, it's just probabilities. It's like the probabilities are going to be lower than those things. Now, a thing like Ulta, remember, the probability is a little bit lower, which is why we were able to run up the contract so much, because the premiums are not expecting the stock to do what it did. Did I already look at Tesla? Yeah, I have. Tesla looks good. The problem is I don't think that this is going to get much steam. I just don't. This is kind of like a giant bear flag here. You haven't really shifted trend, and if you throw this on the weekly, there's a giant trend line that it keeps rejecting off of. AAL at day high. There you go, guys. Yeah, I mean, I'm kind of upset I didn't take that one, but I mean, that's what are you sitting at in terms of risk to reward on AAL? 1 to 3. I mean, that's about where I usually scale out of stuff at 1 to 3. So there you guys go. TP1. Boom. Easy money. Coin back down. That's fine. I mean, we'll let that thing rip. Biotech takes research on each individual tickers. It does, because you need to also know the news that's happening around the biotech. They're so incredibly news driven. And with high rates, it's going to be hard for a lot of them to fire off. All right, guys. It's 10:30. You guys have failed to hit the like threshold today, but that's okay, because I will be back tomorrow. Again, for all of you guys that are interested in hopping into the mastermind, remember right now it's only available for course members. You guys know me. If you guys put that foot forward, I'm never going to make you guys pay full price, and you guys are always going to have first access to stuff. So those spots are filling up very quickly. So you guys have all this week to hop into the mastermind. If you guys fill up all the spots, the people on the outside aren't going to get them. But if there are some spots left over, again, we'll put the link to the live chat next week, and you guys will have access to that. So, team, I'm super pumped for this mastermind. I mean, it's the only one we're going to be able to do before I leave. And I'm going to give you guys some of the best information. Like, it's just college level education and everything. So, I'm excited. I know a lot of you guys are excited. We started off the week very strong here with that coin trade. Let's see what we can get for the rest of the week here, man. I mean, this is still looking good. We all need to learn to stop sucking at life at the like button. I know. Every single time I do something stupid or people are just like doing richer things than me, I'm like, I gotta stop sucking at life. All right, team. I'll see you guys later. Peace.